Hello CMF students, especially for foundation students. This is the video for a lot of students confusion about the examination pattern. So no need to confusion right from now. So no need to take confusion. So before start the examination pattern, so please like, share, subscribe our channel for all CMA students. So this is the examination pattern for last previous examinations. So we get 4 papers, each paper contain 100 marks. So overall foundation exam is 400 marks to clear the foundation. So we secure, so students secure at least 100 of the 50% of these 4 papers. So we qualified the foundation examinations. So here the pattern for foundation of each paper. Each paper contains 100 marks. Time allotted for examination is 3 hours. So 60 marks objective types question and 40 marks for others like short questions and one practical problems. This is the given for previous examinations. So the institute will take an online examination. So wait for officially notification. Don't panic. So I will tell for a lot of videos. So a lot of students don't confuse foundation students. This is entry level. Still, if you qualified foundation level, we have successfully enrolled for intermediate. So don't need to worry about the CMA course. CMA course is a long opportunities for better opportunities. So come to this point from examination suggestion marks. So 3 hours from each paper. So we got 60 marks from MCQs. That is multiple choice question taken. Each question carries 1 marks. So that is 2 MCQs, true or false, and match the followings. Short notes of minimum marks for each question is 4 marks and maximum for each question is 7 marks. So practical problem 8 marks maximum and 6 marks. So 60, this is the previous examination pattern. So wait for online examination for foundation students tell by the Institute of Cost Accountants of Institute of Cost Accountants of India President. So wait for online the pattern. I will make a video for you. Don't worry, don't panic. For please studying your subjects. I will start also foundation classes in upcoming videos. So don't need to worry. So 60 marks for each paper contains MCQs and 40 marks others. So this is the suggested answers for previous suggested marks for distribution from examination point of view in the foundation exam level. So foundation exam students no need to worry. So wait for online examinations for official notification. I also applied for that. So if you like my stuff, please like, share. So hope you will understand this video. So for better learning, please pure learning and pure secure for CMS. So please like, subscribe for news and updates and educations. So please happy studying. No need to panic. Wait for online examination notification given by the institute. So I will upload for you and make a discussion for in this YouTube channel. So please like channel. So no need to confusion everything. So once again I repeat that the topic. So we are discussing so far practical examination of foundation students for examination pattern is 60 marks MCQs and 40 marks others. So wait for online examination for fully MCQs. So wait for that. So hope you understand my in this video for foundation. We clear all your queries for foundations, especially for foundation students. So please like, share, subscribe. We discuss the 4 papers in upcoming videos lectures especially. So please don't panic any news and everything. So just freely enjoy your studying and also in entertainment. So don't panic, you don't take any stress. So if any helps, contact freely and comment below. This is the exam pattern of the foundation students. So far the examinations finished so far. So wait for official notification for upcoming examinations. So don't need to panic for everything. So no need to worry about the foundation examinations. So anything, comment doubts, contact below in the comment below. Thanks for watching. See you again.